How to use former and latter. We use former when we are talking about the first item in a pair or a list. We use latter when talking about the last item in a pair or a list. For example, I have been to Florida and Alaska, but the former was much warmer, meaning that Florida was warmer than Alaska. Or, you could either buy a new car or fix this one. The latter option is much cheaper. Finally, there are two theories. One theory is that there was a lone gunman. The other is that there were several people who attempted to kill the president. Though people want to believe the latter, the former is more likely as only one gun was retrieved.